Can we record inside the museum?
Hi guys.
Hello.
Welcome aboard.
Can we come up here?
Yeah, of course.
But not right now.
I got a craft back here if you want to do that. This is the caboose of the train.
Oh, this is neat.
If you want to make a train slip, we got a whole bunch of cool stamps you can put on it. Cool tassel.
Hey, look how old these shoes are, Jacob. Look.
Wow, okay, come on, you want to make one? Start doing some stamps. Cool. Jacob, you gonna make one?
Here, I'll hold it.
Have you guys been here before?
Yeah. They were here a couple of years ago, and there was like a lot of stuff going on in the parking lot. There was a bouncy house, and
Oh, wow.
I guess not this year, huh?
No. No, we're under like a new administration this year. So
Oh,
we're
okay.
trying to open it up at least like once a month on a Saturday.
Okay.
And try to have a craft, show off the train just so people can see the inside of it.
Oh, cool. Okay. I've never actually been in it, and I've lived here all my life.
Look at this, Jacob. How old is this train?
This one is from 1951, I believe. Let me pull it up real quick. Yeah, built in 1951. They moved it to the park in 1983.
Okay.
And so like each train is from a different era.
Okay.
It's like this one was 51, the one over there is from 1947, and then the steam engine's from 1921.
Wow.
That's cool.
What color tassel do you want? Pink? You want pink?
Had a little train pension on it too.
Train on it. Here.
Some light on it? This is what they did with the coating.
That's a telegraph machine.
Yeah.
Dad, what is that?
They used to use that to communicate. No, don't touch that. That's really, really, really ancient. Really neat. The durability on these guys. So they were gapped this much, or were there more chairs in here?
It wouldn't have been these chairs. These are the metro trains.
Okay.
Metro train chairs, like you'll still see them today.
Okay.
But we don't have the original chairs for it.
Oh, they're probably wood.
Yeah.
Down there.
Yeah.
Cool. I like the.
And yes, that's
Right.
oh. Yes, that's
Way back in the day, before you got telephones in here,
this color,
so let's say they were stopped, they used to
Wow,
just
that's a
like
pretty
blow a little
color.
bit of air, and then the front of it would notice it, and go where you need to go.
Mama, what are you doing today?
That's cool.
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing today?
And then they used to have like
This is what we're
lamps
doing
and
today.
stuff like
There's
that,
your train.
just so they could talk to each other
What else?
all the way
There,
across the
there's-
train.
This is what we're doing today. Here's a little train.
What else?
Okay, come on. This is what we're doing. We're looking through the train.
80s, 70s.
Yeah, that's the diesel engine, so it has to
One of
be
the
speed from the 50s.
50s.
Yeah.
You want to sit on one of the seats?
There's no caption.
Yeah.
Here, you want to try?
Sit down on one of the seats.
Wow.
Remembering the Milwaukee Road. What, this went all the way to Milwaukee, Wisconsin?
So no, it would go Milwaukee all the way to
We're gonna
Washington.
go look in the other
Really?
train
Yeah.
car once this one's
So
done.
this would also be called the Hiawatha Line. It was very famous where people would go and just like
It's
look at the
raining.
countryside,
Yeah.
especially the Pacific Northwest. But yeah, you
There
can
is
see
no painting
who would, like,
faces. There's nothing else
start
out here.
Milwaukee, Chicago, and
Okay.
go all the way
Near
to
Seattle?
yeah. And
So-
Milwaukee Road was very famous because it was the most direct route from Asia to the Midwest
That,
for
does
air
it
travel.
actually running, or that's completely done?
I'm not sure. I think it's the Canadian Pacific line now. I mean, the railroad's still in use, but it's under a different name.
That's cool. That'd be something to see. You go all the way to the north pole of Montana.
Mm-hmm.
You know, the Rocky area.
Yeah, and so the other train, like, it has, like, the huge bay windows. And people used to just, like, put a chair and just look out the windows. And it used to be a countryside, this whole area.
That's really cool. What year did this was happening? Was it 30s and 30s, right? Or like 1800s or so.
Yeah.
Wow. So basically, around the 1930s, they were kind of.
Yeah, they were moving.
Yeah, that's really neat.
And then Bensenville just had a huge rail house, as you can see by like this aerial photo over here. So Bensenville used to be a farming community until the railroad house got set up, and then it like just boom, people came here to work, and people just settled down. And now it's like O'Hare, so it's like it went from like relying on the railroad to now relying on
Come on, you got. Check out the other cart. That is really cool.
Look at TV.
Yeah, well, that's just to show us what it's about. Hi.
These were the tickets back in the day.
And then this is the actual blueprints of this car.
Okay. Done by hand. 1964. 67.
To provide excellent piggyback and container service. In the Pacific Northwest, the Milwaukee-owned vast tree farms. In rural areas,
So those were how the chairs looked like, I'm assuming, back then?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this has been, the Chamber of Commerce bought this train and they actually turned it into like a meeting room for board meetings.
Oh.
So they restored everything and it's kind of set up how they wanted it. And then after a while,
Oh, wow.
You could be here today, so.
it's not how it originally.
I don't know, don't touch
So
it.
they made more like an office type of.
Yeah.
Come
Yeah.
and see this.
What's that?
Little
really neat.
city.
Oh wow, look at that.
This train car itself was in service in the 1940s. This was a sleeper car.
Okay.
Yeah, it was brought here in the 1980s by the Bensenville Chamber of Commerce. The whole museum was set up sort of to honor Bensenville's history as a train town. Because before there was O'Hare, there were trains here.
Yeah.
This is actually a really sleepy little German farming area back in the 1800s. Just farmers like doing subsistence level farming, just farming to survive. And then, yeah, when the train came through here and went into the city, farmers suddenly were able to put their product on the train and take it to Chicago and sell it. And suddenly they went from farming to survive to farming as business.
Wow.
It's really trains that put Bensenville on the map.
This is
Makes
cool,
a lot of
right?
sense. We're in front of a lot of tracks.
Right. Yeah.
Makes a lot of sense now.
Yeah, there was, at one point, there was a roundhouse in Bensenville, which could accommodate, I want to say 5,000 train cars for assembly and repair and maintenance. And so Bensenville was a massive train hub with like hundreds of people in the
And
train
there's a
industry.
little
Wow,
city
that's really neat.
and some little
Surprised Bensenville's logo is not a train.
Yeah, I don't know.
That's really cool. I like looking things like this. Really neat.
Yeah, all the model trains
So
are.
this is actually a replica that what kind of looked before, or is just
I don't know.
This is the guy who
Utah,
donated it.
Nevada, it says.
okay?
He called it Happy Meal, so I
Okay.
think this is just like his
His
ideal.
idea?
kind of-
Okay. I see.
I don't think it's a replica.
Yeah. It looks happy though.
Yeah.
Does
Really neat.
But there's like an Osco drugstore.
Yeah.
an adventure, if anyone
Wow,
remembers.
Adventure,
where's
I
that
do
at?
remember
There's
that.
Adventure there?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's Amazon's to blame for that.
Right, yeah,
That's
that was
really neat.
Target
Look at
Walmart
it.
before there was Target
Yeah.
Walmart.
Wow. That is really cool. Watch your sleep. That's really cool. I remember Venture. They had Venture, they had Zaire, remember? It was Goldblatt's.
Yeah, turnstile.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
And you had Montgomery Ward. Well, JCPenney's still around. Service merchandise.
Oh my God, I remember Source Merchandise.
Yeah.
They were a big deal.
That was the big deal back up.
Yeah, their big Christmas catalog.
Yeah. One of those were so cool as a kid growing up. You just couldn't wait for that Christmas catalog to come out. The service merchandise one.
Yeah.
There's our Ross and all those. Yeah.
My grandma lived in a small farming town in Wisconsin, and we would go up to Christmas for Thanksgiving,
Mhm.
and she would have the catalog.
Yeah.
That's it.
You guys can go check out the steam engine. If you just want to like, is it raining?
Yeah,
Or
kinda.
Yeah.
That's not
We
bad.
were actually, when I'm telling my kids, like, you actually had a better feeling because you went to the store and you got to visually see it and then look at it, pick it up and look at it. And now it's just a click away, so it's not what it is, it's not.
Oh, I know, right? Yeah, going to the toy department of Marshall Field
Yes.
is the most exciting thing in the
Oh
world.
yeah. And that time they were able to leave the kid there at one point and they would not be bothered, but now you can't do that nowadays because
Nope.
a lot of crazy things happen.
The toy department at Marshall Field's downtown Evanston had a marionette section.
Really?
Yep, I remember like all the marionettes hanging out.
Oh, wow. That's scary.
Yeah. Nowadays, kids don't even know what those are.
Yeah. None of that.
What are we gonna-
They kind of see this stuff and they're like, what is this stuff? Because this was like hobbies back then.
For this
This
one.
was before Legos,
Right, yeah. Yeah, and
You know,
kids,
now-
kids would spend so much time like doing these types of crafts to
Correct.
build their little setups.
Yeah. And this takes a lot of attention to detail. This is like an art.
Yeah.
That's really cool how he did that.
Yeah, and it does run. It's just not working now, and our trained volunteer's been out of town, so he hasn't been able to help us
Okay.
get it going. But
Just the visual looking at it looks nice. Really neat. Thank you.
of course, yeah.
Thank
thanks
you.
for coming by.
Thank you.
Yes.
Really, really cool. We didn't see this last time. We set it up last time.
Bless you.
They set it up. The
Bless
setup.
you.
Really neat.
Coloring
Really,
book
really
here. You
neat.
want a coloring book?
And I want this too.
And you want a train hat?
Green hat.
Oh.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, I want a train hat.
You want to make it?
Come on.
Get over here. We're going to be going soon.
I love this one.
Come here, let me measure your head. You want to wear one? Is this a conductor's hat?
Mm-hmm.
Dad, can I have this?
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, it comes here. Mom, it
Yeah.
comes with a little button.
Oh, cool. There you go.
there you go. That's neat.
Yeah, there you go.
Look at the stuff together.
Oh, I don't want to go home now.
Well, that's it. We saw
That's it,
everything.
we saw everything.
Oh no, we didn't.
What?
There's still more there.
No, we went through there already. Come on, let's keep going. Thank you guys. Thank you. Did you sign this? Can we sign this?
Yes, please.
I hope there's going to be another train festival.
Maybe another time, yeah.
Here you go.
Why is this one so good?
You want to sign? All right, so write something like awesome train. Yeah, I already started the A. All right, put Jacob, right name Jacob in there.